Next. Okay. Total's $14.87. This is $6.12. I said $14.87.
Thought I had more. Let me see. This is all I have.
Then you'll have to put something back.
You can take the mail out.
Look, could you hurry up, please? I don't have all day, buddy.
I'm really sorry.
Daddy, is something wrong?
No, sweetie, everything's okay.
Total's now $12.86. You still don't have enough.
Listen, you can take the cake out.
Daddy, no! It's for Grandpa's birthday. He's been really sad. Please.
You want to leave it or not?
You can take it. Sorry, sir.
Total now $6.04. Next.
Finally! Some people are just the worst.
I know, right?
Hey, sweetie. It's gonna be okay.
But Grandpa has been so sad lately. And the cake would have made him so happy.
Excuse me? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. I just saw what happened back there, and I thought that maybe I could help. So, please, take this.
Wow, man. Thank you. But why are you doing this? You don't even know us.
Well, I know what it's like to not have enough. You see, when I was a young boy, my mother and I were homeless and we barely had enough money to eat. We went to the grocery store, and when my mom got to the cashier, she didn't have enough money to pay. We left the store empty-handed, not knowing how we were going to eat that night. But then, out of nowhere, an amazing man bought us some food. We didn't know how we would ever repay him. But he gave us this card and said the only thing we needed was to one day help someone else in need. So you see, I'll never forget that kind man. He thought he was just giving me food, but he gave me so much more than that. A life lesson I'll never forget. He made such a big difference in my life, and I'll probably never know it.
Wow, man. That's a beautiful story.
My grandpa's gonna be so happy.
Here, take this. And just always remember to pay it forward and help someone else in need.
I will.
Thank you, mister.
Hey, Dad. We got something for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you.
This is lovely. My favorite cake.
Grandpa, why are you crying?
It's nothing, sweetie. I'm fine.
Please, Dad. Just tell us what's wrong.
It's just that I turned 76 years old today. And lately, I can't help but wonder Has my life had any purpose? Have I made any difference in this world?
Please, Dad, don't talk like that. It's like, today is your birthday and we want to celebrate that.
Okay. I'm sorry. Let's do that. But son, how could you afford to buy this cake? I know things have been hard.
Just be honest. I didn't have any money. But there was this man who, he bought everything for us. And the only thing he asked us to do in return was to do it for someone else in the future. He even gave us his card. He said that someone gave it to him when he was little. Is everything okay?
Oh, it's not. I just realized that my life did make a difference. Now, who wants the first piece?
Me.
No, me.
Excuse me.
Dad, I'm your child.
I'm your
Only
I'm
way
a
you have a
granddaughter.
grandchild is because of me.
Hey Darman fam, I hope you loved that message about how the kindness you put out into the world always finds a way of coming back to you. I appreciate you watching, and remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.